Hey everyone, my name is John Nyangara. I'm an instructor here at EldoHub, and specifically for the kids, I take them through Scratch with machine learning and artificial intelligence. So with Scratch, you get to learn how to give instructions to the computer, and it's very simple in such a way that you don't use text. Instead, you use blocks. So all you need to do is think of what needs to happen or the instruction that you need to give, collect it from a code area, and you drag it to the script area. And alongside that, in the process of kids learning how to give instructions to computer using block-based programming, they also interact with artificial intelligence in such a way that they use the machine learning for kids' environment. AI in this era is of great essence. It's used in a lot of facets, be it in robotics, be it even in your daily routine. Like a good example is chatbots like ChatGPT, where you can go and ask a question and it gives you an instant reply. So what you're doing here is we are harnessing the power of these kids in not only using artificial intelligence, but also being the creators of artificial intelligence.